When we think about staying healthy, most people don't look to wild animals for advice. But maybe we should, especially when it comes to orangutans. These great apes native to the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia may have some surprising lessons for humans about diet, exercise, and balance. An international team of scientists, led by Rutgers University anthropologist Dr. Erin Vogel, spent over 15 years studying wild orangutans in Borneo. What they discovered was impressive. Orangutans naturally manage their weight and health much better than most modern humans. They do this through smart food choices, flexible eating habits, and physical activity that adjusts with their environment. Orangutans are one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. We share a lot of the same biological and metabolic processes. That means by studying how they live, we can learn more about how we should live, especially in a world where obesity and diet-related illnesses like diabetes are becoming more common. In essence, the research on orangutans underscores the importance of dietary balance and metabolic flexibility, which are crucial for maintaining health in both orangutans and humans, Vogel said. It suggests that modern dietary habits, characterized by high consumption of processed foods rich in sugars and fats, can lead to metabolic imbalances and health issues. First, orangutans' diet is naturally balanced. Orangutans love fruit, which is rich in sugar and gives them a lot of energy. But fruit isn't always available in the wild. When it becomes scarce, they shift their diet to leaves, bark, seeds, and other plant parts. These foods may not be as sweet, but they provide essential protein and nutrients. Even when fruit is abundant, orangutans still make sure to get enough protein. This is a big difference from the modern human diet, especially in Western countries, where processed foods are everywhere. These foods are often low in protein but packed with calories, leading to overeating and weight gain. Second, orangutans show incredible metabolic flexibility. That means their bodies can easily switch between different energy sources, like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, depending on what's available. During times when fruit is hard to find, they burn stored body fat and even muscle to survive. This is similar to how intermittent fasting works in humans, where not eating for periods of time may help improve health and reduce stress on the body. Another key to orangutans' health is behavioral adaptation. When food is scarce, they don't just keep going at full speed. They slow down, literally. Orangutans rest more, move less, and even go to bed earlier to save energy. This ability to adjust their activity to match their diet helps them stay in balance. Humans, on the other hand, often do the opposite. We keep consuming high-calorie foods, even when we're not active. With sedentary lifestyles and constant access to food, our bodies often store extra energy as fat, which leads to weight gain and health problems. The study took place at the Tuanan Orangutan Research Station in a unique rainforest area in central Kalimantan, Indonesia. Scientists and local field researchers closely observed the orangutans' daily routines, collected urine samples, and tracked changes in diet and energy use across different seasons. One fascinating discovery was that a large portion of the orangutan's protein came from just one plant species, a vine called Beringia calicarpa. This plant helped fuel the apes through long periods without fruit. It shows how orangutans depend on their environment to survive and why protecting their rainforest habitat is essential. Orangutans remind us that balance matters. They eat what their bodies need, rest when necessary, and don't overdo it. They maintain health through natural rhythms of feast and scarcity. In contrast, humans often ignore these patterns, which can lead to serious health issues. In the end, staying healthy might be simpler than we think. We just need to go back to the basics. Listen to our bodies, eat real food, stay active, and know when to slow down. If the orangutans can do it, maybe we can too. Don't stop here. Find out more. Visit the links in the description below for more in-depth information on the stories presented in this video. Or if you are a part of a wildlife organization doing something interesting right now, let us know in the comments.